Welcome to Undefined Geometry. This time we shall be continuing with the CATIA Beginners course. This video will be looking at the hole command. The hole command is a quick and simple way to produce a hole in a solid model. Let's have a look at how the hole command works. The first thing we need is a feature or solid to remove the hole from. Using the hole command, we do not need to create a sketch. All we have to do is pick the hole command icon from the menu and then pick the face that the hole is to be located. This will open the hole dialog box so we can control how the hole is created. Here, we can change the type of hole and the diameter, add countersinks and threads. We can also locate the center of the hole by picking the sketch icon. As always, the feature can be changed at any point by double-clicking the icon in the tree. In this example, we have changed the center hole to a blind hole. Thanks for watching this far. That is about it for the hole command. The next video will be looking at patterns. If you are enjoying the videos, please like and subscribe.